you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli, and in this video I have for you an absolutely delicious recipe that you are going to love. We are going to be preparing a chicken with a Chipotle sauce, and this is nothing like the Chipotle Mexican franchise that is like tasteless and it's a mix of different weird things. We're going to do it the traditional Mexican way from home with the simple steps, super easy, quick, and with a delicious result. But before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't so you don't miss any of the future videos of this channel. And yeah, without further ado, let's see what ingredients you're going to need to make this delicious Mexican dish. For our Chipotle chicken, we will need 1 pound of chicken breast cut into medium pieces, 3 or 4 potatoes diced into small cubes, a medium onion finely chopped, and 1 finely chopped garlic clove, half a can of Chipotle in marinade or adobo sauce, tomato sauce, chicken stock seasoning, onion and garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. First, we add a splash of oil into a hot pan and we add the chicken. Mix and cook over medium heat until the liquid evaporates and it begins to get golden brown. At this point, we add the onion and continue cooking until the chicken is browned and the onion is translucent. We add the garlic and mix until lightly brown, and then we proceed to add approximately 2 cups of tomato sauce. Afterwards, we add 2 Chipotle peppers and a little bit of the marinade to give flavor to our sauce. And here, if you want it more spicy, you can add more peppers. Then we add the potatoes and mix well, and proceed to season the sauce with chicken seasoning, garlic and onion powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix so that everything is incorporated, and then cover the pot and leave to cook over medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the potatoes are soft. While our chicken is cooking, we can make the rice to go on the side. I will make a white rice with butter and corn, and for this we add a little bit of oil to the pan and add a cup of rice and fry it slightly. We add 2 cups of water, a tablespoon of butter, and yellow corn, and once it boils, we add salt to taste. Then we cover the pot and leave it cooking over low heat until all the water is consumed and we have something like this. When everything's ready, we serve our Chipotle chicken with the butter rice on the side, and we can accompany it with beans, tortillas, guacamole, and any other of your favorite garnishes. This dish is easy, fast, and is also delicious. And the best part is that you can adjust how spicy or mild you want it, and I promise you everybody will love it. And that is how quick and easy you can have a traditional Mexican dish on your table, and I'm sure everybody is going to love it. If you don't like spice that much, you can adjust it. You can add less Chipotle peppers, but if you like that kick, that spice, you can add more if you want, so it's totally up to you. I really hope you like this recipe. If you did, please hit the like button, share this video with your loved ones so they can also learn how to make this delicious dish. And also don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the future videos. And I also invite you to check out my Patreon page if you would like to support me further. I would thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!